Hello, I'm Kerry Buckmaster. This is a self-study program called Moving Through Conflict. So this is going to be helpful for you if you are facing or witnessing a conflict with friends, in groups that you're part of, at work, or in your families. And you might be feeling increasingly distant from people or become increasingly triggered by things that are happening. And this self-study will give you tools to reflect on, unpack, understand what is happening, and give you tools to do different things. So this might be really helpful if you are considering mediation, and this will give you some tools which will be super helpful even before you have mediation. But you might not even be necessarily considering mediation. You might just want to know how to dialogue with your friend or your colleague about these things. And this self-study will be perfect for that situation. At the end of it, you might think, I still need some support. And then you can get in touch with me and I could possibly mediate with you on that. So this is kind of an in-between thing that you could do before you get some support to accompany your conflict. So a little bit about me. I work in organizations and groups. I skill up people, I mediate when there is conflict and increase agreements around conflict, what to do, kind of prepare for conflict. Really important to prepare for conflict so we know that it's not the end of the world when it happens, because it will happen. And so I can create conditions for conflict to be supported and traveled through, as well as grief to be expressed as well. And a little bit about who I am. So I live in London. I'm white, English, have a working class background. I'm educated, self-employed. So with all the precarious living of that, I'm a single parent, neurodivergent. And I'm naming this because sometimes the naming of different aspects of identity can be really helpful, especially if some aspects have been erased or not acknowledged. That can be the cause of conflict. So I would do this in a mediation as well. So I'm just giving this information to you as how I might proceed. And what I really wanted to do in this self-study was to crystallize some of the insights that I've gained over 10 years of working in this field, accompanying people. And I wanted to offer them to you right now so you could start reflecting, start looking at things in a new way, and hopefully move forward in conflict. So if you're ready, let's get started.